how to get MidJourney bot with Discord without any coding. Quick and easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how you can get MidJourney bot, which is a very famous bot nowadays. We can create AI art for free without coding using MidJourney. How to access it with your Discord? So let's get into it. First of all, open up discord.com on your laptop or PC. This is where you will sign in to your Discord account. After that, you will go to Google and search for midjourney.com. Select the first link and you will land right here. This is our bot. We will click on sign in. You can see right here MidJourney bot. Click on authorize and it will take you to your MidJourney account. This is how we can get our own MidJourney account. We can log into the bot. Now you can see this is all AI generated art, and I can also create AI art with MidJourney really easily. You can access it for free with your Discord account. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to Software Made Easy.